using the light. Let's go this way. You good?
I'm perfect, yeah.
Hi there, it's Tim. I'm here with Macyn. We're shooting for her portfolio. How was it?
It was really good.
She did really, really well. Make sure you check her out on Instagram at
Macyn Gray.
Perfect. Take a look at some of the shots we took. Thank you for shooting. And we've got lots and lots of shoots today. In fact, we've got shoots you can see behind me here next to Mall getting ready with Nicolette in the background. But make sure you're following Macyn on Instagram. Take a look at some of the shots we took.